Hello guys, today I am going to explain you what is Postman and how to download Postman and how to install Postman in Windows 10. So what is Postman? Postman is basically a tool which basically tests the web services APIs. Okay, so there are various methods in APIs, in REST APIs. We'll check later. First we'll check how to install it and download and install it in Windows. Okay, so let's open your favorite browser. I am opening here Chrome browser. Okay, let's type postman.com. So this is, sorry, let me, so this is postman.com is the official site for the Postman. Okay, so here you can sign up if you have not registered it, then you can sign in if you have registered. And let's see about the pricing. So here there are a few plans and pricing for this Postman. We have free tool also, and there are some different tools as well, team, business and enterprises. These are the plans, and the cost for the plans are displayed here, so you can check for each of the plan. And there are various things like depending on this plan that a user can access all these by each of the plan. So you can see the difference between each plan. You can see the single sign-in is valuable for the business enterprises, not for free and team. Roles and permissions is applicable for business and enterprise. So lot of dependencies and plan features are there, so you can read it and get each feature, uh, each plan feature here, and also buy whenever you need it. Okay, so we will not discuss about anymore for this, and we'll first think about how to download this. Okay, so let's go to home page. Okay, so here you can see download the desktop app. Okay, so there are three options. One is for Windows, and one is for Mac OS, and one is for Linux. So I am going to show how to install in Windows 10. So let me click this Windows icon, and we can see on the Postman app, the download Postman. Okay, so this is the link to download the app. Let me click this link. It is showing Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit. So I have the Windows 64-bit. Okay, so if you have 32-bit Windows, then you can click this and get downloaded the exe file. Let me click this Windows 64-bit. Okay, so you can see in the bar the Postman is going to install download. Let me cancel this because I have already downloaded the Postman earlier. Okay, let me close this. Okay, close this and go to my download file where I have kept it here in Postman. Okay, so here I have already downloaded Postman Win64 8.12.4 setup. Okay, so this is the file, exe file I have already downloaded. Let me double click this file. So you can see the file is going to install, and we have got this screen, the first screen. Do you want to run this file? Okay, so click the run button. Okay, so yeah, this is on the D software Postman Win64. This is the file name. Okay, so click on this run button. So it will take few minutes to set up the installation. So we'll wait for that few minutes to set up, to get the setup screen. Yes, you can you got we got the setup screen. Okay, so it is installing the Postman in the background. So this is the desktop icon already launched here. Let's double click this. Yeah, it is showing the preparing your workspaces. This might take a few minutes. So the installation or creating the workspaces is continuing. Yeah, you can see the Postman app has been opened. Okay, it will take few minutes to load different components of this Postman. Yes. So here it is a screen that update available version 9.0.7. So these are the new versions are available right now. So you can also download it and you can update here. Okay, so new version of this so we have installed I think 8.12. So whatever it has been downloaded from the Postman site. So these are the versions improvements like in version 9.0 bug fixes. Okay, so yeah, this is the 8.12.4 has been shown here. So this version has been downloaded here. So we can see the release notes here. Okay, these are the release notes. uh, yes, so these are the release notes and the different versions like Postman version 9.0.7 and the improvements. Postman now shows message if the version is not is incompatible with your team account. So there are a lot of version 9.0.5 bug fixes what's new. Okay, you can also go through it and get the structure and what are the improvements in each of these versions has been listed here. Okay, so now the Postman has already been set up here or already installed here. So we'll test with one basically one dummy site or dummy API in the Postman. How to uh, check with the Postman. Okay, let's close this. Okay, so I'll give you one dummy site which is providing few different like REST services to go through it, and they are free and you can test like you can test from that for this various REST API calls from this site. Okay, so this is the request.in. This is a like dummy application which provides different like APIs, REST APIs, which you can check with the Postman. Okay, so uh, these are the basically one is get request. Okay, to list user. So in list user you can this is the basically is the mm So basically this is the endpoint or the URL. Okay, web base URL. Okay, not base URL. This is the URL to test this API endpoint to test this get REST API. Okay, get API. Okay, to list user. So just uh, copy this. Okay, copy this. You can copy the whole URL. Okay, so you have got this in this structure. The JSON response has been displayed here. Okay, so we need to test the postman here. Okay, let me create a new collection. mm, this is I have already tested. Let me delete it. I don't think there is a delete option. Let me click create a new. So we'll discuss about what is a collection in Postman. Let me first round one create a new collection for this request. Okay, request test. Okay, so we'll talk about what is collection and different uses of collection. So add a request. Okay, so we'll have the get request only. Okay, so this is the API endpoint, and you can check right the get request. Okay, so method is get and the endpoint is https. This is the base path. Okay, and this is the endpoint. So API slash users question mark page 2. If you will go to the page 2 and it will show the page 2, either you will go to API slash users, it will list all the users. Okay, so this is the get method and this is a get request, and if you click on the send button, uh, so let me show these are the responses. This is the response. It's a huge response. It is coming from this get request. Okay, page 1. This is a JSON format. Okay, so these are key value pair, and this is also a JSON array. Okay, the data. So you can see after here, if you click this, it will go to open in another window, and this is also another get request. And if you click this send button, you can get an image. Yeah, this is the image that has been stored in this request API, and this is also a get request to display the image. Okay, so these are the responses are coming from the get request API for this get request. Okay, so this way you can able to validate this API request and the responses here. So we'll go through all these parameters here for params, authorization, headers, and so keep watching on my tutorials. I will go through these things when I will go to explain more about the Postman. So how will one basic request has been explained here. Okay, so let's open the basically the Postman web URL. So this is the postman.com, the website. Okay, so here also you can get the similar structure of Postman client here. Go to the sign up for free or sign in. I have already signed up, so I will only log in here or sign in here. Let me give my username, sorry, username or email, Devadatta Pradhan. Okay, so I have given email and the password for this site. I have already registered here. Okay, you will get if you will first time registering in the site, you will get one verify email. You need to verify your email from your email. Okay, to get access to the postman.com. Okay, so I don't want to remember it. So So this is my home page of the Postman. Okay, so here also you can get the similar approach. To start with, suppose start with something new, create a new request collection or API in a workspace. You can get the workspace if you click the create new. Okay, yeah, if you'll click on the HTTP request, there are various options, so we'll go through one by one. So you can see here the same that we have seen in the web desktop app, sorry, desktop app for the Postman. That is a similar screen we are getting here. So you can do the here you can see whatever we have done, request. Okay, so you can do over here also. So whatever like if you'll save that, it will go to upload inside this test here. So we have already test that request here. So I think it will sync to your Postman if you'll sign in there. Okay, here is the sign in option. Here we can see the sign in option. I have already signed in, so it is not showing up. So you can also see the sign in button here. Okay, so this is the like basic. You can also like invite people, invite your team members here in email. Okay, you can send the copy invite link here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the basic uses of the Postman application in Windows. So go through the Postman, and also if you like this video, please like on my channel and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you.